Hi, Pengipal friends! Today we're learning how to take a shower and keep our bodies fresh and clean. Do you know why we shower? Because our bodies sweat. We get dirty when we play. And washing helps remove dirt, sweat, and germs. Taking a shower keeps our skin healthy and helps us smell fresh. Ready? First, turn on the water. Turn the knob slowly. Turn. Turn. Now check the temperature. Is it too hot? That can hurt your skin. Is it too cold? Brr! We want it warm and comfy. Step inside carefully. One foot, then the other. Let the water fall on your head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Getting your whole body wet helps the soap work better. Now grab your soap. Rub it in your hands until it gets bubbly. Wash your arms. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Why? Because our arms touch lots of things. Wash your tummy in little circles. Wash your back. Reach around. Wash your legs. Don't forget your knees. Now your feet. Feet can get very sweaty, so we scrub them well. Soap removes dirt, sweat, and germs from our skin. Now shampoo time. Put a small amount in your hand. Rub it on your scalp. Use your fingertips to gently scrub. Why do we wash our hair? Because oil and sweat build up on our scalp. Make lots of bubbles. Now tilt your head back and rinse. Make sure all the bubbles are gone. Leftover soap can make your skin itchy, so we rinse really well. Now turn off the water. Turn, turn. Step out carefully. Wet floors can be slippery. Grab your towel. Pat your body dry. Drying helps keep your skin healthy and prevents irritation. Now you're clean, fresh, and ready for the day or bedtime. How does your clean body feel? Light? Fresh? Happy? Great job taking care of yourself.